and it's the LinkedIn video only feed. Yes, there is now a separate news feed on LinkedIn that is video only. First, it is slowly being rolled out. Whenever I do these update trainings and update podcast episodes, I always get people reaching out to me or commenting, "Hey, I don't see this feature." I think one of the most recent ones was the weekly sharing tracker, which if you go on the homepage of LinkedIn and you actually click on post impressions on the far left side and you scroll down to the bottom, it'll have something called weekly sharing tracker, where it gives you 3 activities that you want to take part in: a post, a comment, and a contribution to a collaborative article. Now, that is still being slowly rolled out as well. And so is this LinkedIn video only feed.